Let's thaw chicken in the microwave real quick. And by this, I mean defrosting it the right way so it doesn't cook and get chewy and all that. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of how to cook videos like this one and easy recipes my family enjoys. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button before you leave this video because I share new ones every single week. Let's grab the frozen chicken out of the freezer, and the first thing you want to do is remove it from the wrapping or the zip bag. As you can see, my chicken is frozen and the bag is stuck to it. So I am gonna run the bag under cold water to separate it from the chicken meat. Sometimes you have spots like this one that are stuck. So those you have to run underwater and kind of work to move the bag around a little like this until it separates. You don't want to put the chicken in the microwave in the packaging because it might melt. Even if your chicken is frozen like this one in one big block, go ahead and put it in a microwave safe dish that's not going to heat up. If your microwave comes with a defrost button, you'll want to use that, which will automatically reduce the power of the microwave so it will defrost the chicken and not cook it. The one issue with defrosting meat in the microwave is that it can sometimes cook and then it becomes rubbery and not great. So let's place your chicken in the microwave and set it to defrost according to how much chicken you have by weight. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. Now, while it's defrosting in the microwave, you'll want to pause this every 2 minutes or so and turn it to check for progress. And if you put the chicken in there in one big block, as soon as you can separate the pieces, do it so it thaws out evenly. You'll want to keep an eye on the chicken so you can prevent it from cooking. The microwave method works best for chicken breasts and thighs and cuts of chicken without bones. And once all your chicken pieces are thawed, they're ready to be used in your favorite recipes. You can cut it into pieces and then cook them, or pan sear to perfection for an incredible juicy meal. Now below this video, I'm gonna leave some helpful videos on how to cook that thawed chicken that you have so it's always juicy. See you next time.